Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple spider eye look. Let's get right into it. So what I did, so this is going to be as easy as possible, I did like a black little line and I'm going to dip this in it. I can dip it a little bit longer too if I want. There we go. Okay, there we go. So let's make the first line, at least the first outline of a line. Then one right here. Lovely. Now what we're going to do is angle it in a bit and angle that in a little bit. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take a fine brush and we're going to fix this up, but let's get the other legs in. Now for this part, you're going to want to leave your eye like partly closed or almost all the way. I'm just going to let it dry for a second before I do anything else. So the rough copy's down, let's fix it up. So a really good way to finish off this look is actually to just do like a little, that way it looks like the spider legs are coming from somewhere. Last but not least, we're going to do just like a small little eyeliner right on the top layer of our eye. Just something really simple, does not have to be dramatic. Now it's totally up to you if you want to do the eyeliner on the other side. I might not, just to really make it look different. And now what we're going to do is add some highlights to make this look more realistic. So I'm using Danessa Myricks again in the shade Lift, and I'm going to put it back on this. And just take you only need the smallest little amount, and we're just going to literally do highlights with it. So I'm going to use, for extra precision, I'm going to use this. Literally, to do is this. Just a little. Lovely. Now we're going to draw a little bit of shadows. I'm probably going to blacken that up too. So for the shadows, you're going to take like a line brush or just a really flat brush, and you're going to do a few shades darker than your skin. So I'm going to use Have Your Cake right here. And this is what we're going to do. So that way it actually looks like a real shadow. Looks so freaky. It's so cool though. Wow, it actually looks outstanding. I definitely did better than I thought I would. I really, really like it. It looks realistic and it's super cool, and I think this is such a great Halloween costume that's absolutely free. So very proud, and it didn't take me that long. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.